Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to download Google Drive on your phone. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, of course, whichever you have, and you'll have a screen like this if you have an Apple device, because this video will be for Apple devices only and for the, of course, App Store. Now here, as you can see, you have a lot of options. So you have the Today, we have the games where you can find all of the games, the apps, and the arcade. And also the thing that we want to now click on is the search, because we want to go to the search bar. But now guys, let's see how can we do this. Actually, what we need to do is go to the search bar now and type in Google Drive. So Google, then Drive, Google Drive. Click search, and here it is. What you need to do is, of course, now download it. But first of all, we can check out the ratings of the app, the age, the chart, developers, and everything here, the language, size, and everything in one place. We can also see the ratings and the reviews of the application. Also here you can see some more information. But when you want to, of course, download it, what you need to do, guys, is go and click on the Get button. Now you'll need to go and double click to install on your button here for shutting down your phone, and it will start downloading immediately. Now, of course, as you can see, you have the time how long it will be for the app to download. After it downloads, you can, of course, go inside the app and use it, of course. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.